All right, everyone, and welcome to week 3. All right, this third week is the last week in 2D for classic pixel art. All right, in the first week you created your game doc and you did your main character in classic pixel art. In week 2 that you just finished, you created all the background, foreground, and playfield using tiling. All right, very repetitive system, but that is very nice on the memory of the machines and runs well with the game engine. But it's pretty boring look like. It's very repetitive. So we need to kind of make it look better. And this is how we do it in week 3. That's what we do. We're gonna create decal set. All right, and basically it's called decal set for 2D video game. All right. Make sure you click on that. I've checked every links. Everything works perfectly. All right. One of the lecture does not have audio. It's because it is matched up with the document lecture. All right. It's just the visual help for the game for the document in that lecture right here. But everything is there and fine. So what you have to do this week is to create decals. Stickers basically with a transparency channel in Photoshop using PNG24 as a format to export, and you create stickers to customize your level. It could be as simple as dirt on the floor or as complicated as a platform or bonuses. Alright, it's very important for that that it can also be bonuses and weapons that you can catch, extra stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? That's also considered a decal for this class. So you need to go into your reading chapter 7. It's a nice overall introduction what we're gonna do in the next modules in the 3D. So I kind of prepare you for that. Okay, there's a lot of lectures on to do certain type of things like blood, gunshots, blasts, bullet holes, stuff like that, to help you go through that to do yours. Now, assignment 3 is right here, and basically it has to be done. That's the minimum I want you to do. You can do more than that. Alright, you can do as many decals as you want, pretty much. Don't overdo it though, alright, because then it gets too heavy for the game. But this is the minimum I want you to do, which is 2 platforms properly cut, 4 different organic decals like dirt, bullet hole, graphs, alright, and 2 different bonuses. That's the minimum whatsoever, alright. I want them set up properly, meaning PNG format. Alright, so we can have the actual alpha channel, and also you need to make sure that it is palletized, so compressed, and there is information here in case you haven't seen it in the lecture, but it's in the lecture also. Alright, so that's very important to do that, and that's pretty much, and then you have to tile them to put them in the editor or in Photoshop if you're a Mac user to demonstrate the customization of your level, the final part of your level basically. Okay, that's very important. So that's your homework for this week. Okay, and when you're done, make sure you upload it to the proper Dropbox and that you also upload it to the discussion board. Try to upload to the discussion board soon, what you have like in 2 or 3 days, so we can discuss what's going on, what I'm saying, and maybe get them better. Okay, I've put the level editor right here again, just in case someone needs to download it again. It's right there. I've tested the link and it worked fine for me. So that's pretty much your work for this week. Alright, next week we will start 3D and we'll have the rest of the semester in 3D for video games. Modeling, texturing, and a little bit of animation. But it's not an animation class, so it's just a little bit of animation. Okay? Take it easy. Don't hesitate to post. I'll be glad to answer your questions.